Okay, so for question 3, we have a graph Vx with respect to time. And the graph is going like this. So we can see that the graph is positive here and negative here. So it's positive and then negative. And we have to find a graph that represents x of t. The graph that represents x of t would have to be this graph. Because as we can see with this graph, this upside down parabola, we have increasing values or positive values here. We reach a point and then the values start to decrease, similar to the Vx graph above. Therefore, the answer is C, an upside down parabola.